All right, meteorologist Matthew East here with you with the April 6th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here, and little Johnny Cash, Ring of Fire this morning. Come on, sing along now. Ring of Fire. All right, my reason for playing that this morning, not to just give you a little bit of amusement, but to talk about the Ring of Fire we have going on in the weather. This isn't the greatest example here, but a lot of times during these summer months, you get one of these Ring of Fire setting itself up. This is the water vapor imagery this morning, and you have a big upper-level ridge centered right across the southeastern part of the country. Most times during the summertime months, around the periphery of that upper-level ridge, you get these bands of thunderstorms. Really, they're called MCSs, mesoscale convective systems, and you get one after another rolling through, and that's really the pattern we had set up. We were just on the southern periphery of one of those yesterday, brought a couple of isolated thunderstorms. Here was one of them up in the Virginia border counties, also Patrick County, Virginia, seeing this activity. This produced 1-inch diameter hail around Reedsville, and this is a couple images I snapped of this thunderstorm. There's the volumetric scan of it. And we're actually kind of looking off to the east in this scan I took. And I want to show you this. The upper level winds yesterday were a little from the west, really just a little bit north of due west. And so you ended up having the storm tops displaced a little bit vertically off to the east as the storms moved through. Compare that to when we had the tornadic outbreak, and notice the storms really displaced at that point. The upper level part of the storm displaced off from the surface part of the storm. The wind's not nearly as strong yesterday, but it was enough to produce some severe weather in the form of hail, primarily up in our Virginia border counties. A lot of heavy rain, thunder, and lightning as well. Now, this is the radar this morning, and that zone of showers and storms today is going to be shifting to our north, and we will have a hot and dry day. These are our temperatures here. These are 4 a.m. temperatures, Eastern Time, 3 a.m. Central, and again, that deeper shade of orange right here. I'll draw it for you. That's the 65-degree isotherm. And so you're looking at very mild conditions across the southern plains and the southeastern part of the country. Today, probably the hottest day of this hot spell. I'm going with a high of 90 for Greensboro. Looks like around 90 in Charlotte as well. The record high temperature today in Greensboro is 89. Charlotte's record is 90. Raleigh's record is 93. That Raleigh record should be safe, but near or exceeding record high temperatures today. And not only that, we'll have southwesterly winds anywhere from 10, 15 miles an hour or so sort of feel like a blowtorch out there this afternoon. And again, that zone of thunderstorms today well off to our north. We'll have a dry, sunny, hazy day, a lot of pollen in the air. The air quality not the greatest. So again, it's sort of a summertime pattern here in April. But there's a change coming. Tomorrow is still going to be quite warm. Looks like mid to upper 80s in most spots again tomorrow. But here comes Thursday. And we'll see a cold front slide in by late in the day. It looks like Thursday morning dry, but this is the precip on the GFS between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Thursday. And it looks like it'll be late afternoon into Thursday evening when we see this band of showers and thunderstorms pivot on in. Could be some strong to severe storms, and we have a C-text area there on the Day 3 convective outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. I do think there'll be some strong winds, maybe some hail with some of the thunderstorms that roll through late Thursday and Thursday night. Not a huge outbreak of severe weather probably, but probably a few strong to severe storms. And then the best part is we get into a nice clean air mass behind that. Here's Friday morning, cooler air rushing in. And we're probably looking at 60s for highs on Friday and Saturday. A lot of sunshine, just a gorgeous weekend coming up. Probably mid to upper 60s there Saturday, Sunday, low to mid 70s with sunshine and lows in many spots into the 30s over the upcoming weekend. So it will be a nice, clean, crisp air mass that moves in. Monday looks very nice as well. There's Sunday, 70s and sunshine. Monday probably upper side of the 70s and sunshine, and Tuesday we get back toward 80 degrees or so. But I want to show you this. A lot of the modeling going to this type of scenario again. This is out on the 13th of April, and a lot of the modeling going again to one of these big ridges here across the southeast. So maybe toward mid-month it might get quite warm around here once again. We'll see. We really need to shake this pattern by summertime, otherwise it could be kind of a nasty summer. But again, we got a lot of time between now and then, so probably the pattern will wind up changing between now and then. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.